guys, welcome to today's video. So I thought that I would do something really fun today and kind of just go through a few of my favorite things during the holidays and just kind of, I don't know, give you a look at everything. God, she promised me she wasn't gonna do this. Are you kidding me? It's Boobra, stop. A ghost really has nothing to do with the I put it on silence, so we shouldn't be interrupted again. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh, we're talking about holiday things. And how weird, Boobra is like stalker dialing me. She's being really annoying, and I've had
Why is my ringtone that?
Excuse me?
What? Why is my ringtone that
You don't
awful
like that?
song? No, it's a threat. It doesn't make me feel good.
Wait, why are you here?
It's because I'm the ghost of Christmas past and you've been bad.
The ghost of Christmas past wears ripped up jeans. Boobra?
It's all the rage in the afterlife.
We had a deal. You know about this. I know you want to be on my channel. You think you're famous or something ever since.
I am famous. I'm big on the BooTube.
This is like turned into a whole nother thing. So you guys, Boobra came along. I thought it would be great to have her help me pick out makeup, and maybe that would like be enough, and maybe she'd just kind of disappear.
Well, that's kind of rude. I thought we were friends. It's all right. I'm going to do a couple more videos and maybe a few more guest appearances, and eventually I'll take the throne, just like you took my garden.
Boobra has been guilt-tripping me every single day. It's only gotten worse. So now Boobra is basically just a member of the family. I don't understand where this is gonna stop. Why are you here?
Well, to be honest, I like your company.
Oh, actually, that was really sweet. Boobra, you are a friendly ghost. That was actually really nice.
Not really. I'm going to feed Puka chocolate. Where's your little Puka?
Ever since the chocolate threats, I've had to keep Puka Shell away from Boobra because, you know, you can't feed a dog chocolate.
Well, you can if you want him to be a spirit like me.
Okay, let's talk about your holiday favorites.
Do you want me to start or do you want to go first?
Yes, you're being sweet, so you can go ahead. We made a deal that we talked about this. No promotion of merch, okay? Like none of that. I don't want to see Boobra merch.
I need
okay?
to start my brand if I want to survive.
You're already dead.
I know, but I need new sheets. We've already talked about how terrible these are.
We've already talked about how high quality and bamboo they
Bamboo?
are, and you love the bamboo. So come on now, you don't need to live that high life. You don't need new sheets. You don't need to sell merch. You're already dead. I just like, okay?
All right, no merchandise, I promise.
Okay.
So first up, one of my favorites. It's called a boo in a shoe. You can get this online at the boo store. You put the boo in the shoe and then you wait. It's genius.
What are you waiting for?
For them to put their foot in the boo that's in the shoe. And it's a great family game. It's in no way related to Elf on the Shelf.
I don't really think this is appropriate for a holiday. This looks evil.
It's very nice.
You know what? I've almost broken my ankle stepping in the boo in a shoe, and I'm so sorry. This is a bad idea.
Well, blame Puka. Puka gave me the idea.
How did Puka give you the idea?
I did something else in a shoe.
A poo in a shoe.
I didn't say poo.
So what I wanted to share with you guys as far as a favorite for the holidays that is sparkly and will bring you joy and you will be mesmerized is my favorite new holder for my beauty blender. It's so sparkly.
Booty blender?
Everything's boo. I'm just like, I actually like don't even notice it anymore because everything's boo this, boo that, boo, 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 boo. You like this?
I'm making it float for your viewers. All of my Bootches wanted me to come back on your channel. That's what we call ourselves.
No, this has got that. We don't do that on my channel.
Bootches.
Boobra has decided to call her audience members in the, where do you call where you come from? The other side, heaven? Where are you from?
It's behind your studio. That's where I come from. My garden used to be there.
Okay. So you call your fan base
Bootches. It's in no way related to Mr. James Charles and his sister apparel. This is completely unique. It's Booch apparel, and it's Bootchers.
Boochers?
It's Bootchers.
Boochers or Bootches?
It depends.
So when you're being rude to me, are you being a Booch?
That's not very nice of you. It's trademarked. I'll have my lawyer contact you.
Right, okay. Do they even have lawyers in the afterlife?
No, they're all in hell.
You've gotten a little bit of an ego since we last sat down and filmed, and you seem to think that you're a big deal in the afterlife. I'm so confused. They have YouTube in the afterlife.
There's no YouTube in the afterlife. It's just when your computer's left around, I go and I tinker. I like a couple things. I leave a couple of nasty comments on Boobra gossip.
Oh my God! This is actually, you guys.
Well, I know that's a sensitive subject, and if you have a boo-boo, don't forget your Boobra Boo Aid. It's good for the boo-boos.
Okay, that has nothing to do with Boobra gossip at all.
Nice.
You went from being nasty on a website to selling your merch now.
This is for your anxiety. I don't have hands. If you could help, that would be nice. There we go.
I mean, do you have any real favorites? Can we even do like something useful for them?
This one honestly was inspired by you. You have your beauty pills and I have Boo Booster. It comes with individual disposable boos. If you need a boo, I've got you. That's the slogan. It's trademarked.
I think that's actually just my bottle though, Boobra. Like you just took marker to it. It's actually called Halo Beauty.
Hello,
and
Booty. I gave her the idea.
It's for people with skin, unlike you, Boobra. And it's so good for you. You know, I had to hear this noise while decorating my home for the holidays this year. That screeching and screaming. It's worse than a dog, a baby, a crying cat. It's just Boobra's noises. You feel all cried out? You don't need to like count to 10 or do anything like that?
Let's just not talk about my skin deficiency. It's a very sensitive subject.
What would you like to talk about that would make you really happy? It's the holidays. I don't want to upset you, even though that noise is really horrible.
Well, since we're talking about my beautiful voice,
Yes.
I think since it is the holidays, we can talk about a very Boobra holiday CD.
Where did you get all of this with you?
I made them. This is a beautiful album. It has such hits as Jingle Boos, Boo to the World, Little Drummer Boo, All I Want for Christmas is Boo,
That's actually my favorite.
Sleigh Bells Ring, Are You Listening? Sleigh Bells Ring, Are You Still Listening?
It's officially a low point.
Where's
on
my
channel.
garden? I am a ghost. I miss my garden.
I have to say, this is pretty clever. I really like it. Not so sure I appreciate that you have Puka Shell on the cover with you, but I'll try to look past that.
He's featured on one of the tracks. It's Little Drummer Boo, and that's about Puka. Buka.
Who has a CD player anymore, actually? But let's just give it a play. Boobra, this is Clueless. This is not even your CD.
I made the album cover. Isn't that enough?
You got anything else?
No, that's actually it.
I want to share with you guys one of my favorites for holiday. This is gonna make Boobra so jealous. I don't think ghosts are like all the rage right now. I actually think that was like so last season. So right now I'm loving the Alien palette. It's chic, it's sexy, it's pink. It's by Jeffree Star. It is a variety of gorgeous shades in here. And I think they would look good on anyone with skin. So
Ridiculous. I want my agent. I'm famous now. I'm a big deal. Jeffree Star thinks he's so cool making an alien palette. I'm gonna make a highlight so blinding you become transparent. Aliens aren't even real.
does that even make sense? No.
I was gonna make you a blueberry pie, but your attitude has been deathly.
Okay, so
You've made a grave mistake.
we had 2 steps forward, 5 steps back. That's kind of our relationship at this point. I'm trying to work it out, you know? I think maybe we're just kind of like getting a little at each other, and I really wanted this video to be very much about the holiday spirit and just about warmth and family and coming together, whether you're dead or alive. And you know, I love Boobra. You've kind of become a weird part of the family, so round of applause for Boobra. See, everybody loves you. All right.
Remember, $3.99. Get your little boo in a shoe. This holiday album. It'll knock 'em dead. I feel very sorry for her, all my loyal fans. Please subscribe and like to her. She could use it.
I just crossed 5 million subscribers and 1 billion views.
You need to be careful. You don't want to feud with this bee.
Oh.
Got him.
Ooh,
Got my little Buka.
Buka shit.
Don't forget to follow my little Buka.
My little Buka. All right, you guys, thank you for hanging out and watching probably the most ridiculous video on my channel ever. I love making these, and you know, we did this once for Halloween. You guys loved it so much that I was getting tweets and DMs every single day. So I managed to get Boobra to come back and have a good time. If you want more Boobra, more
for my Bootches.
then be sure to thumbs up, leave comments, make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. Come back again tomorrow. I will be here with a fresh video. I am here Monday through Friday at 10 a.m. PST as always. And every once in a while, I love doing these more fun videos. So I hope you enjoyed it. I know it's kind of ridiculous. Boobra's still standing right over there. Are you kidding me? Boobra!
Don't forget to ring the boo.
And I'm just gonna go now. So you guys, have a good one. Happy holidays. I love you so much, so much. And I hope I brought a little smile to your life today. And let me know in the comments. Do you want Boobra to come back? Do you want Taylor to make an appearance? Go and follow Boo Roses and Bo Roses. I'll have information in the description box below. Go have a good one, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for hanging out with both of us today. All right, love you guys. Mwah. Boo to the world. We did it again.
God,
Hoover's gonna pass out right now. You got anything else? Oh my God, it's like seeing the exit signs at Disneyland. Wait, I want to see James be Boobra. Do it. Put the ghost costume on him. I want to see if he can do the voice. Come on, do it.
Boobra!
Yeah, I hate it. Bye.